After driving this BMW E30 over 3,000 kilometers without any major issues, I thought the hard work was finally paying off. But just a few days later, while I'm back in Cape Town running errands, the engine suddenly started misfiring heavily. So today we are tearing into the car to find out what's really going on. The first step that's gonna have to happen, we're gonna have to remove the hood. I've removed the hinges. So instead of removing them here and there, I actually decided to remove it from here, right here. And there's another one on this side, same on this hinge right here. So what that will allow me to do is to lift the whole thing up, you know, and then with it keeping its alignment somewhat. Yeah. So right now let's just remove the hood and put it somewhere else so that we can see what's underneath. So the hood is out, or the bonnet, some might call it. So what's next is we're gonna have to take out the airbox. Then after the airbox, we're gonna focus on this intake here, and then we're gonna drain the water in here from the radiator. So for now, let us take out the airbox. So basically disconnect it from here and then remove it from where it's holding here. It will give us a lot of space to work with. Let's do that. Okay, the airbox is out. We will be removing, let me remove this pipe quick. I know it's just attached. So we'll put this to the side. So up next is gonna be the full intake. So I wanna see if I can remove it straight from the head without having to remove the first half of it. So let me look into it and then I'll get back. So to take out the whole intake body, you need to take out the throttle body itself. So it's just four nuts. It's just here and down there, and the same on the other side. So let me remove that because I've already loosened this one up. I've loosened up the one in the middle down there, and then there's also another one this side, but now there's more on here. There's one there, and then I do believe there's another one on this side. It's here somewhere. There it is. Yep. So yeah, let me remove the throttle body and then we will see if we can remove this whole assembly together. Okay, so I now removed everything that needs to be removed, I believe. So the intake can now go off. Now that the intake's out, I believe the radiator is gonna be next. Maybe not the full radiator, but I will be draining the coolant or the water that's in here and then removing this fan shroud. So let me remove this fan shroud. It looks like it's just zip tied in, so I'll just use a knife to remove all of this. So I'll be removing the water from here, which is the lowest level that I'll be going. So I believe after loosening this guy up, I will be able to take out all the water that will be blocking us. Okay, here we go. I'm now gonna remove this pipe next. I know there won't be any water coming out of here, but I could be wrong. Okay, so the next pipe to go is gonna be the heater pipe. Pipes connecting to the head I think are gone.